If you're not a fan of Safari on your iPhone, or if you're trying to keep everything in sync between your phone and computer using a browser like Google Chrome, then you may have tried removing Safari but found that it's not so easy. If you see, when I try to delete Safari like any other app, I press and I hold on Safari, and from the pop-up select Remove App. On the next screen where we can normally delete, we only have Remove from Home screen. We can do that, but it doesn't actually delete it all the way. If we look inside of our app library, it'll still be there, and any website link that we click will automatically open up in Safari. The way to remove Safari all the way is inside of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Start by opening Settings, and then inside of here towards the bottom, tap Screen Time. If you've never used Screen Time before, you may be asked to turn it on and set a password if you want to. Next, select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Inside of here, tap the slider on the top, and that'll turn this section on. A quick side note here, if you're having issues deleting any other app from your iPhone, you may have some of these settings turned on. I've done a video in the past showing you how to fix that issue, and I'll put a link here if you want to check that video out later. But to remove Safari, choose Allowed Apps. Here in the list, find Safari and then toggle the slider on the right to turn it off. Now if we close Settings, you'll see that Safari is removed, and it'll also be deleted from the app library. So now, if we open up a website link from anywhere like a text or an email, it'll automatically default to any other web browser that you have installed, like Chrome here. And it's also super simple to turn it back on if you ever want to use Safari again. Just head back into the Allowed Apps menu and toggle the slider back on. And that's how you remove Safari and default to a different web browser on your iPhone.